The CARE Complete Smiles Project is an Albert Schweitzer Fellowship aimed at delivering comprehensive dental services to residents of Durham, North Carolina, free of cost. CARE Incorporated is a nonprofit community health center offering social and health services to citizens of the greater Durham community. Students at the UNC Adams School of Dentistry run weekly urgent care dental clinics. This fellowship was founded with the intention of expanding services offered at the Dental Student Service Clinic to include dentures. In partnership with Absolute Dental Services and Dental Designs Labs, the CARE Complete Smiles program has restored the smiles of 11 patients.
Hang on, just smile. Woo! You smile.
For he knows what lies ahead.
Sing, girl!